Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel. This one is red. Underneath the hood is a 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel pushing out 350 horsepower and 680 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels. Ram 2500 heavy-duty Cummins turbo diesel badging. Black leather interior. Clean set of all-season regular floor mats. Trailer hitch. Keyless entry. Running boards. Wood trim. Power windows. Memory seats. Power seats. Steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, Alpine sound system, rear view backup camera, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, touchscreen media display, navigation, dual climate controls, different driving functions, cup holders. This Ram has 61,238 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2016 Ram 2500 Cummins, visit us at feldmanimports.com.